Hey guys, today we're going to do ribs two ways. We're going to air fry them and grill them. First we're going to start with our dry seasonings. We're going to add a double, some oregano, some garlic powder, brown sugar, black pepper, paprika, kosher salt, and I like to use Sweet and Smoky dry rub. So we're gonna add some of that. Some mojo marinade, teaspoon of seasoning paste, two teaspoons of minced garlic, and at the very end we add olive oil to bring it all together. And then we're going to mix it really well and make sure it gets all in there. For the ribs on the grill, we're going to lay them out on some aluminum foil. We're going to add some butter, honey, and some more dry rub. We're going to fold the aluminum foil over to make a nice packet to add onto the grill. Fold it up nice and tightly so nothing can come out. We're going to set the grill at a low heat and let it cook for about an hour. Now on the air fryer, we're going to add our ribs. We'll try to get all of our seasoning out of the bowl. Just put it on top of the ribs. Add our air fryer to a high heat and let it cook for an hour. Now we'll work on our mashed potatoes. Peel, wash, and dice up some potatoes. We're going to add them to water and add some salt. Let it come to a boil. Start mashing it up a little bit. Now we're going to add a cup of milk, half a stick of butter, a little bit of mayonnaise, and some more salt and pepper. And then mash it all together. These are how the ribs look like when they're done with the air fryer. And this is how they look like off of the grill.